This video is about beryllium element of periodic table. This video provides the understanding of the behavior of beryllium present at the top of the group 2 called alkaline earth metal. With this peculiar behavior, it becomes easy to understand the bonding and compound formation with other group elements like halide oxygen. Beryllium has symbol first two letter of its name Be and has atomic number 4. Beryllium is S block element, occur in solid state. Its relative atomic mass is 9.012. 4 protons in the nucleus and 4 electrons revolve around the nucleus. It is discovered by Nicholas Louis Vauquelin in 1797 and its name is derived from Greek name beryl or beryllo. The appearance is silvery white. Beryllium electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. The peculiar behavior of beryllium is because of the greater charge to size ratio. The electrons are not strongly shielded from the nucleus, so it has more effective nuclear charge over valence shell electrons. Its size is smaller than lithium because number of electrons or protons are more in beryllium as compared to lithium and has more force of attraction between them. Due to greater force of attraction, the radium is extremely small. So the size of atom of beryllium is smaller than lithium, which is present in group 1. As we go along the period from lithium to beryllium and onward, the radius of an atom decreases. The reason is the number of electrons and protons are increases, which cause the increase in force of attraction, so radius decreases along the period. Thus, beryllium becomes reluctant to release electron from its valence shell. Due to high ionization energy, beryllium is reluctant to form ionic compounds. If beryllium forms ionic compound, the lattice energy of beryllium of ionic compound is very high due to smaller in size. Its size is even smaller than lithium. If its ionic compounds are insoluble in water because water remain unable to break the lattice. Beryllium is the lightest and differ from second A group elements in many ways. Due to smaller atomic size, it is hard because nucleus attracts the valence electron very strongly. 1A group metals has 1 and 2A metals have 2 binding electrons, so the metallic bond of 2A metal is strong. Boiling point and melting point of beryllium is larger than others because it is reluctant to release electron, so it's not a good reducing agent. 2A metals are powerful enough to reduce water. Beryllium is quite resistant towards complete oxidation even by acids. Beryllium form halides. Beryllium chloride isolated molecules are linear, while solid is composed of chains of linked molecules. Beryllium chloride is covalent linear molecule. Beryllium has dense center of positive charge. The ability to draw electrons towards itself create covalency of many of its compounds, like that of beryllium chloride. Original molecule of beryllium chloride is linear, while solid is composed of chains of linked molecules. Bonding of solid beryllium chloride is very much like that in aluminium trichloride. Lone pair on the chlorine atoms are used in coordinate bonding with empty orbitals of beryllium atoms. In the solid beryllium chloride, chains of atoms are arranged like those two coordinate bonds made from chlorine atoms to each beryllium atom. In the same way as chlorine aluminium bonds are coordinate bonds in aluminium chloride. Beryllium chloride and aluminium chloride are the covalent halides. Beryllium also form oxide. Beryllium oxide is an insoluble oxide. Because beryllium oxide is more stable than its group member, it does not form beryllium hydroxide in water.